Welcome back to our channel. Want to learn how to create this awesome effect in Photoshop? Watch till the end to learn how in just 2 minutes. First, make copy of image layer pressing Ctrl+J. Then hide the copy layer. Click on image layer and go to image, then adjustments, then black and white, and adjust the colors like this. Now go to filter, then noises, then add noise and set to 7. Visible the copy layer and select rectangular marquee tool and create the rectangle like this. Put layer mask on copy layer. Then open blending options and put stroke and drop shadow just like I am doing. Unlink the layer mask to the layer and move the rectangle to wherever you want. And like this, your mask effect is ready. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.